Doon po si Kamose.
Tama na. Ay, itutok ko.
Important because they make us aware of what distance and immediate external environment.
Nagre-report sila.
These three receptors will help us
Tao.
to know and to aware all about what is happening around or in the environment. The other receptors are only to
Ayaw mo yan, pilapil.
external objects. Hindi siya pwede internal. Kailangan external lang siya. That actually have contact with the body. These receptors are ones that give rise to the sensation of taste and touch. So, ginagamit natin yung basic natin sa touch. The other is the internal environment. Internal environment located in our muscles, in our tendons, in our joints. These three kinds of receptors give rise to the sensation of muscle movement with a kinesthetic organ or kinesthetic state. Diba ito itong receptor na yun na
Pilapil, kaya mo yan.
locate yung internal environment yung sa joints natin, sa muscle natin, at sa tendons natin. Sila yung nagpo-control ng movement natin.
Yes.
Receptor is a portion of the ear which gives rise to the vestibular sensation. It's concerned with the equilibrium.
Turo mo, walang dyan ba?
Aesthetic and vestibular na pa tayo. Ito yung dalawang senses dalawang receptor or senses na nakakatulong sa atin kung paano makasend ng mga for example,
Ito naman yung mga maiingay.
for example, paano tayo makakita ng
Si Dagul.
makaramdam, makakita, makagalaw,
Si Sbeth. Tsaka si Bugoy. Yan yung Three Stooges. Sila yung mape-friendster niya.
This sensation closely associated with experience relating to
Ito, teacher naman.
drive and emotion. There is general characteristic of sense receptors. Yung nga yung nasabi ko kanina. First characteristic is the absolute threshold. Cornea is convex, transparent membrane that covers the front of the eye. Cornea is in front of our eye that covers the dust. Hindi siya ganun makapasok. Para siya yung tumutulong para makita natin agad. Or siya yung isa sa mga first
Two, three.
in which the retina is our dedicated